Dragpak Dennis here. We're in Detroit, Michigan. We're actually at Watson Racing, but got bad news. So we are currently set up camp. It's right outside is our trailer. But we drove 2 days, got here. And as we got here, we got a phone call. About half hour before we got here, we got a phone call. And they said that unfortunately they broke something on the engine when they were dyno testing it. So there's no way that they're going to be able to get this fixed. So here with crew chief Larry and broken hearts, we're very disappointed to get the news, but we're not going to be racing. So now we got to figure out what to do. So we just spent the night in Watson's parking lot, set up our RV, got our car out so we could go do some running around. But now we're gonna go in, we're gonna see the car, the motor, kind of figure out what happened. No cameras allowed. This is top secret stuff we're going into, guys. What's that?
She was stuck in behind.
Oh yeah.
Did you get him in the back?
Yeah, I don't know. I saw him pull up. We were sitting in the coach. I saw him pull up. By the time we got out, he was already up here. So, and the back door was locked.
Yeah.
What's up?
How you doing?
Great, how about you?
I don't know what a quarter mile is anymore.
I know. Oh, wow.
You never can get down the track.
Just came to visit my engine and get a quick little. I got to post something about that we're not going to make it, so figured I might as well get a little bit. So what?
Found a gremlin in the engine.
What's that?
Found a gremlin in the engine.
Yeah. So what exactly happened? It was one of the. It's the ring gear, or what was it? What's that?
The tone ring.
The tone ring went out on it, eh? Failed. Yeah. So tone ring failed on it. That's what happened. They were dyno testing.
It looks like a gear.
So it's one of those, and unfortunately I got in there and beat up a few things. They need to do some work to it. There's our engine was frantically taken apart and scattered in millions of pieces. We got our new heads. There's the blower. There's all the pistons and everything.
I think General Motors caused that every level.
Can we throw a Cobra Jet motor in, Kim? Is that a possibility? We got a few of those kicking around, don't we?
I don't even have one that's spare over them.
Yeah, no kidding, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay if I go out and see my car? Okay, cool. There's Catherine Pasiba's, there's Gardner's car. This is Gardner's car. They, if you remember, he hit the wall in that last video, so I'm pretty sure they got him all fixed up. Yeah, they got it all. He's all good to go. Looks like they're just getting ready to put it back together. But here we are. There's the Dragpak. Front cradle when they drop the motor out of it. They actually jack it up and they just take it right out the bottom. Easier like that, I guess. This engine's been out of this car more times. As you do it over and over again, you get pretty good at it. So anyway, we're gonna get the car put back together. Hopefully, well, it's not, well, I say hopefully now. We should make Martin NMCA. It's gonna be at the end of July. So we'll give you guys an update as we're going, but unfortunately it is what it is. See y'all next time.